Alright, so all these parts I ordered off Amazon to do this. These are the calf pads for a wheelchair. They have the holes already drilled and tapped for the mounting hardware to mount it to the wheelchair, which we're not going to use that. And then I ordered these brackets off Amazon also. These will go here like this, and this, and we'll mount it to our roll bars. So I'll also use a riv nut to mount it to this board. So I'm going to start off by popping this loose. It's just stuck on there with a little bit of glue and these pins. These 4 pins go into these spots here, and then once you're done, you can screw it on. Screw this plastic piece on. So to begin with, I'm going to put some riv nuts in here. Go from there. I will put links in the description for all the different items that I used. I can't think of anything that didn't come off of Amazon. I think maybe these came off eBay, but eBay, Amazon, they're pretty much going to be the same. Just make sure you read the reviews. Alright, so I got the riv nuts in. So now, put a little bit of glue on all 4 corners there. Those little tabs. Pop this back in place. Should be ready to install. Fits tight as it is, but I want to put some glue on there just in case. Let these dry a little bit, and then go ahead and install them. These screws here are just going to fill in the threaded holes there. I'll probably end up painting those black at some point, but right now it's good enough for now. I put some painter's tape on here just to keep it from getting scratched, keep the bars from getting scratched up whenever you put this loop here on. I also filed off some rough spots there. It's aluminum and it's powder coated, so it's not going to hurt much. Just it's all going to be inside. So you got to spread it out a little bit. I will have to put the foam that came with it to stop it from moving around. But right now I'm just going to make sure I can clamp it in right. It looks like it's going to work. The other side that I did off camera, it was a little tight. I had to modify, grind it down a little bit to get it to fit on here. It's come from China, so get what you pay for. So that's really tight. That's really good. This one's going together a whole lot better than the last one. Okay, one thing that I did have to do is I put a 1/4-inch drill bit in there, just kind of wallowed it out a little bit this way, and a little bit on this side too. And I went ahead and did it on both of them, and went ahead and put the foam on there. So I'm gonna put it back on now, try without scratching it up, and tighten her up. Looks like it's gonna fit on there now. I'm gonna go ahead and get a piece of this protective foam, put on this side right here. That way it doesn't scratch up the bar there. Yeah, I taped up these channel locks just so I don't scratch anything up, but I can put a final bend on it, get it going the direction I want.